Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up in less than 1 minute. Real quick, what do I mean by live? What I mean is that this is not a situation where I've already recorded everything and now I'm coming back and explaining what's already happened or doing a voiceover trade recap. Nothing like that. I'm recording myself, seeing the information and the data for the very first time. So if you just want an unscripted, kind of nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader, how day trading can play out, then you are going to get that here. So like I said, market opens up here in about 30 seconds. I'll pause and then I'll be back at the open. And the market is about to open. And the market is now open. So let's see, watching AXSM out of the opening gates here. Not familiar with my screen right there. You can see the ticker symbol of it. And this is the 1 minute time frame, meaning this is what's showing going on during the opening minute of the day. So just kind of let this play out here a little bit. Kind of hard to see, but this thing is such a big gap down that it's just throwing off the proportions of things. Although a little surprised. Thought this thing would be a little bit crazier out of the opening gates here. Yeah. Not exactly what I thought. Again, these are live, so like I said, I'm kind of sorry that I picked something that's not really moving, but at the same time, I'm not sorry because that's just a good real life example of how trading works. Sometimes you'll be a little bit caught off guard. $33 could be an interesting area, though. Like I said, just a little. What is that? 33. 34, yeah. So that, no, yeah, this thing is just sitting around too much, not really doing much of anything. So let's go look at Tesla here. I'm going to change over to my option screen because on Tesla, I like to do options. But I will pause for now. All right, looking to get some MRNA here. Got some at 429.50, looking for the break of 430. So there it is. Let's see if we can get some follow through. Well, no follow through. Got the breakout. Now looking at potentially a fake breakout here. Let's give this thing another try. Again, 430 was that key level, and it did break, but then kind of just sputtering around here. So I'm hopping out there for a $262 loss. I think this thing could just continue to roll back over here, and I'm not willing to let that get any bigger, especially given that was a play. Got the break. It did not break, came back down, and it was one of those. It needs to either break out right now, or I need to reassess the situation. And even if it comes back up, that's fine, because that just was not the trade plan. That's not what I was looking to do. So it is what it is on that one, but a $262 hole, nothing that I'm going to freak out about or panic about. That's something that I believe I can, wipe away very unimpressively, meaning, it's not like I have to go out there and make some sort of massive, great trade. So still watching Tesla here. Maybe a break to the upside coming here. And just watching MRNA off screen. Yeah, it's still just hovering around that area. So, like I said, regardless of what it does, still feel, well, not feel, I did. I played that one just like I wanted to play it. It was either a breakout right now, and you saw the move. It did break out. It just did not get any sort of follow through. And yeah, that happens at times. But let's see here if we can get maybe a potential trade on Tesla. See if I can pick up some here at $10.50. Just double checking, making sure I'm putting my order in properly. So Tesla's going to need to come up some more in order for me to have a chance at $10.50. Oh, MRNA, and there you go. There it goes. Well, that just goes to show sometimes you can be right, but if your timing's off, then, it is what it is. So sometimes all you can do is laugh about it because, like I said, according to what I wanted to see, I played it the right way. It was just that my timing wasn't quite right there. So that'll not the first time it's ever happened to me. Definitely won't be the last. But let's see if Tesla wants to make a move here. Again, I'm watching $10.50. So again, Tesla needs to come up just a bit more here. Getting close. Oh, wow, I was best on bid. All right, well, at this point, got to go down to 10. If you watch the bid, 1050 was sitting on the bid. I just did not get filled. All right, I will go ahead and pause. All right, right now looking to buy this pullback here at 434. Oh, no, I should be at 433. Whoops. 433, excuse me. Went down as low as 434.03, so I wouldn't have been filled anyways. Actually, 432. Maybe I'm splitting hairs here, but 432.75. So let's see if we can get a bit more of a pullback here. Well, I'm not going to sit here and watch it just kind of watch paint dry. So if it pulls back some more, I'll get the video rolling. Well, I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up here. It's about 10:12, so 40 minutes in, and never could get any other trades. You saw me bidding on a couple other setups and just never got filled. So it is what it is. Try to play, the quick breakout. So my trade plan, just quick breakout. I got the breakout, but didn't get any sort of continuation, and then it pulled back, and of course it did leave me behind ultimately, but that's just the way traders can be right but still lose money because your timing can be off, and my timing was off, and like I already mentioned, not the first time it's happened to me, certainly won't be the last time, and if it's ever happened to you, hey, you're not alone. At the end of the day, just follow the trade plan, and sure, I didn't get the 262 back today, but I mean, if you've watched any of my past videos, you've seen amounts much larger than $262. So I'm confident. I'm feeling good that who knows, maybe a great setup will come along this afternoon, but I have to move along. I have a podcast I have to record. So on that note, a quick plug. I do offer a podcast. Been doing it for 6 or 7 years now. The Stock Trading Reality Podcast on iTunes, Spotify. So if you want to look that up, but I have a member here that I'm going to be talking to in just a little bit. So I need to certainly be done for trading right now. But like I said, I'm not going to go force anything either, but it is what it is. Played the quick breakout. Broke out, did not give me the gains that I needed relative to the risk that I was taking. So just had to, stop out, and then it ultimately turned around. But again, if there's any sort of learning lesson here, just realize that, hey, you know what? It's easy to say I think it's going to go up, but that's what I thought. It did go up, yet I still lost money because the timing was off. And that's just how it goes as traders. Sometimes your timing won't just, won't be there. Before I do go, though, a couple of quick things, especially if you appreciate, if you enjoy the transparency of just showing trades that don't work out, showing, dare I say, I was wrong, and I was wrong, and it's not easy, it's not pleasant to say that and then post it on the internet. But so if you appreciate the transparency and just showing these sorts of trades, these sorts of days, then please do a couple things. Oh, and then just in general, if you like these live trade videos and want me to keep making them, do two things for me. Hit the like button, leave a basic comment below, even if it's just saying hi. Those two things go a long way in communicating to me that you enjoy these live videos because they're not easy to make. There's a lot going on. I have to talk to you. I have to think for myself. I have to execute my own trades. I have to type alerts in the chat room that I offer. So there is a lot going on. So they're not easy to make. They are possible. Just not easy, but I am willing to continue to do them as long as I know that there's interest and entertainment. So like I said, if you enjoy the transparency, find interest and entertainment in these videos, like I said, communicate that to me by hitting the like button and then leaving a basic comment down below. But thanks for hanging out, and get out there and realize that sometimes your timing will just be off. But hey, that's just part of the life of being a trader. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.